Hey guys, welcome to tonight's vlog, today's vlog. It's going to be a night in the life of a divorced mom. I figured I would take you guys just along for what my evenings look like right now. It really isn't an evening routine in this video, but more of just all the stuff we have going on. You want to say hi?
Hi, I already waved in the video.
Oh, you already waved?
Yeah.
Landon was so helpful. Tell them what you just did that you always help me with. It's his chore.
Trash.
Yes, doing the trash. It's his chore every week. And it's so helpful to mommy. And I just got the younger two their baths while he was doing that. And he's going to hop in the shower now, right? You want to go hop in the shower?
Yeah, I'm going to go take my clothes off.
All right. And I'll get him down shortly as well. Hey, pretty girl.
Hi.
You like your robe. You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi.
I said we're filming what mommy does at night in this video. So after you go to bed, I'm going to do all the cleaning because what's a huge mess right now?
Me.
No, you're not a mess. Where did you play today? Because they had a snow day, so the kids were off school today. And where did you guys play in the morning?
On the couch.
Well, yeah, the couch actually is a mess. I'll show you. But where else did you go besides down here? The basement. So you can see there's Monopoly set up there, so that needs to get cleaned up. And the basement. Huh?
I was going to finish it after the shower.
What, Monopoly?
Yeah.
Okay, I won't clean up Monopoly right now, but we have to clean up your room. This is a mess.
I'm about to change right now.
Okay, yeah, change and take your shower. And then...
I tied it.
Oh, yeah? So I finally took down all of the Christmas decorations in Hayes' room, but I kept up just a couple Hawaii touches. And the one thing I'm looking for is I had a pillowcase. I just don't know where it is. That was really cool. It's like black and white, like surfing Hawaii that I was going to put on that chair. So I'll have to try to look for it. But anyways, I figured I would just sit and chat for a second because I know everybody's just been asking since I posted the life update video. And I posted, oh, hi. Oh, you want a snack before bed? Okay. Here you go. You have to take this downstairs though, okay? You take it downstairs?
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. I love you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Love you. Thank you. My favorite. But no, I think everybody, since I posted that life update video and on my morning routine video, I said like morning routine of a divorced mom, which I think triggered a lot of people because I put that. Like a lot of people were like, why wouldn't you say solo mom or single mom? And I mean, I'm those things too, but I also am a divorced mom. Like that's just the reality, and I'm trying to adjust and stay positive and do everything to help the kids through this transition. I obviously know that like I've made choices that changed their life in a lot of ways, but I've just been trying to keep our routines the same and sort of just like make that transition really smooth, like do all the things that I'd been doing with them when it comes to bedtimes and wake up time and like, the time that we spend together, and probably I'm doing a little bit of extra fun things too, just to spoil them because of everything that's happening. I just want us to have good memories and have fun together. But for Hayden, I think he's the one who isn't going to really remember anything different, and it makes me sad that he probably won't remember much of Hawaii, whereas the older two, they have so many friends there that they still FaceTime and will ask all the time to go back to Hawaii. Like Presley's teacher today even commented on the reel I posted, and like Presley's like, can we tell her we'll come back and visit? And so I feel like as a mom, I'm just going to try to do everything I can to get us back to Hawaii as much as possible. And I mean, I want to go back to Hawaii as much as possible. I love it there, but I do think, you know, God led us back home here for a reason, and I so appreciate just having the time that I have been spending with my grandparents and my mom and my girlfriends that I had my entire life here, and it's mattered so much to me. Like it's gotten me through this really difficult transition, because in the beginning it was really hard on me. Like I felt like I failed in so many ways. So if you're going through it, I promise you it will get better. And I think too, I just kind of realized as a mom, like not necessarily even because this transition, but because I was making sure that our routines felt the same. Like today we started dinner at 4:30 because the kids were home for a snow day, and I just had everything ready a little earlier because I didn't have to go do the school run and all that. So we had our dinner, and I was able to do baths earlier and get Landon going on, you know, helping with the chores, and had the older two all ready, and like just Landon finished showering now while I was in here taking down the Christmas decorations. And it just makes everything go smoother. Like I feel like they're so much more calm because I'm not looking at the clock and feeling like I'm rushed, because honestly, like that is, I think the biggest thing is I just know like there's been a lot that I'm responsible for, right? And it's like if I'm so tired at the end of the night, I just am like, oh my God, I just want to go to bed. I don't want to like have to worry about all these things. So I feel like the more early I can get our routine started, I am way chiller, way calmer, and so are they. And then I also don't feel as anxious or stressed out by the end of the day when I'm like, okay, I have enough time to get everything done. So that's what helps me. I don't know if it will help you. And obviously I can't get that done every single day. Like there are days when I'm stressed out and rushing, and because of activities after school and all that kind of stuff, it just, you know, throws a loop in the routine and the schedule. But I've noticed that's what always seems to help the most, is if I can have dinner early, everything else sort of just goes smoothly from there. I feel like I looked at that last video really fast, and I need to wash my hair so bad. It's been, I think, nearly a week. So I got one of these. My sister had one when we were on vacation at Disney, and I really liked it. And she's like, you need to get these for your hair, because she has extensions too. Because that's the thing with extensions. It's like if you put your hair up in like a high pony, you know, I still do that sometimes. It just doesn't feel good. Like it starts hurting me so bad. So these, because you kind of like twist from the bottom, so it's not like the pressure pulling on like where your extensions are up here. They work a little bit better, so your hair can be like up and not hurt your head. Come on, Hayden. We gotta go night-night. Hayden, night-night. Yeah, it's bedtime. Toddlers are so fun. Yeah, we do for tomorrow, honey. Don't worry. I got some at the store.
This paper.
Okay.
I wanted to participate in it with you.
Okay. I'm gonna do this then tonight. Can you set this on the kitchen sink for me so I can do it? Okay. Hayden, come on.
No.
Yeah.
Good night, Papa.
So say night. Just here. Say night, night. I love you.
I think he's here with me.
Turn on your white noise.
Hey, I'll let you borrow this for one night, okay?
No, honey, that's going to your room, okay? Using this doggy, okay? Night, night. I love you. Night, night. Love you, Bubba. I love you.
Hey, you got to switch on matches.
We do. You're right. Good night. I love you. That's honestly been one of the biggest changes, though, I think, since the divorce, is the kids have either been, the big kids I mean, have either been sleeping in my bed or they sleep with each other. Like tonight, I just kind of know, I'm like, I want to get a good night's sleep, because if they're in my bed, I really don't sleep. Like they move around so much and every little noise wakes me up. So I know I'm like, I have so much cleaning to do. I can't go to bed like early with them tonight either. So I'm like, you guys, if they want to sleep in the same bed together, I just let them at this point, because I feel like they're little. I feel like there's only so long that they will want to even do this anyways, so why not let them? But yeah, I feel like just one of those things that I'm like, oh yeah, ever since then we've had a lot of sleepovers, family slumber parties, because I was never that person to like, I can't sleep when the kids are in bed with me, but it was nice, I guess, to just kind of have those cuddles and have them right there next to me when I was feeling pretty low. I've got to clean up in here, and clean up the kitchen as well. I made some chicken quesadilla soup. Oh, it's locked here. Let me show you, one sec. This is a recipe from my cookbook. I love it because it makes so much, and I usually reheat it all the time for lunches and dinners. It's just such a good staple for me. And then we also today made these, me and Presley. We just got the store-bought chocolate chip cookie dough and peanut butter cookie dough, and these are the Reese's chocolate hearts, and these are just Hershey hearts. And instead of like the Kiss cookies at Christmas time, you just kind of put these in the center of them, and they're really good. One of those is definitely gonna be my reward when I'm done cleaning in here in the kitchen. And I should probably stay after the basement too, but maybe I'll have another one after I do the basement. My laundry is a mess. I have so much laundry to catch up on, honestly.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said,
I cleaned. I ate half the cookie. I ate the other half when I'm done cleaning the basement. That was so freaking delicious though. This is the opposite of delicious. This makes me want to barf. Oh man.
You had great patience, but something knocked you out. Felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that.
Oh my gosh, this feels so much better now. Amen. All right, that was a lot of cleaning. I am honestly just exhausted. I'm so excited to eat the second half of this cookie. But I did just want to say thank you so much, truly, for all of the support. And just, I feel like people have reached out and you've shared your stories or things that you're going through that's similar, or like you're just very understanding and supportive of where I'm at right now. And like, I think you guys know, I've always tried so hard to get videos up here regularly, and it's just been a lot. Like, there was so much happening over this last year, and there was also, I think, just a little bit of fear that I had of what kind of judgment would come with this from sharing my life as a mom and a wife, and then no longer being a wife. I don't know. I feel like sometimes when you're going through hard things, these fears creep in, and all of you have been so reassuring that you still want to be here and are looking forward to some of the same videos, but also some kind of new videos, or I guess like we're talking about new things in some of these videos. So, you know, I think that's it. It's just, I know I've changed, and I just want to say thank you for growing with me and for being understanding of the changes and hanging out with me on this night where I'm at home. I get some questions from you guys about, do you have any advice? I think what felt really, really good for me was to work on myself. Like, I was going to therapy, I was working with a coach just about a lot of, like, you know, that self-doubt that I was talking about in my head, and a lot of just the fears that I had about this new chapter in life. And once I kind of worked on those and got some confidence back and was treating myself the way that I should treat myself, instead of like always putting everybody else before me, like actually prioritizing my needs too, I feel like so many things came into my life for the better. It was almost like treating myself really good and practicing gratitude every single day brought all these new exciting things into my world. And I am now just dating one person who truly has just kind of like brought me so much calm and a lot of wisdom and maturity from a lot of the things he's experienced. So it has been, you know, nice in, I guess, this new chapter to have met somebody new who really is just making me happy. I think a lot of you guys have noticed that I definitely am very, very happy. So feeling very, very grateful. But at some point, I don't know if you'll ever meet him, but I would be so excited to introduce you to him. But again, like, I'm kind of playing all this by ear. Like, I feel like there's no roadmap. I just kind of have to go with what feels best for me and for us. So yeah, I feel like a lot of you have said, like, when are we going to meet? It's like everybody says Mr. November. So maybe at some point we shall see. But thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for all the support. Let me know if you have any video requests, and I'll see you in the next one. That's so good. Bye.